Presenting the GMC 2017 Sierra 2500 HD Denali. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are wheels 20-inch, 50.8 centimeters, 6-spoke polished aluminum, seats front full-feature leather appointed bucket with KA1, heated seat cushions and seat backs. Includes 12-way power driver and front passenger seat adjusters including 4-way power lumbar control, 2-position driver memory adjustable head restraints, D7, floor console and storage pockets and K4C, wireless charging, STD, license plate kit front. Trailering wiring provisions for trailering fifth wheel and gooseneck trailer includes additional 7-way wiring harness is located at the rear of the pickup box attached to the rear frame cross member.